Solving Business Challenges with Vsoft Labs. Membership Management System and OCR Application Case Study. The company is a lakeside recreation center that offers a number of seasonal services to its members, including professional swimming leagues and recreational activities for families and guests. The center also includes other amenities, such as exercise rooms and saunas, as well as a rotating calendar of wellness programs. The organization was struggling with manual administrative tasks, such as tracking membership information, reading and organizing invoice data, and planning events. These processes were time-consuming and prone to error. Vsoft Labs developed a web-based project management system that enabled the company to register new members, plan events with an interactive calendar, track attendance, track facility amenity usage, and even send email notifications. The team also created a comprehensive automated optical character recognition solution for finance management. The user scans invoices with their mobile device, then the OCR application reads and processes the invoice, and extracts required data and files it into a centralized database. This automated system reduces manual labor and streamlines operations to reduce overhead costs. The easy-to-use website also increases member engagement. This OCR solution improves data accuracy by 87% and increases the speed of invoice processing by 95%. Technologies applied include Microsoft Azure, ASP.NET, C#, jQuery, Bootstrap, and SQL Server. Learn more at vsoftlabs.com. Thanks for watching.